Welcome, nice trading pros, and welcome back on my channel. In this video, we want to talk about the second biggest gainer here on crypto bubbles, XDC. It pumped more than 18%, nearly to 19, and it's trading right now at $0.0673. XDC network. If you switch here to CoinMarketCap and look, what is actually this coin about? On CoinMarketCap, you can see more than 160,000 persons have this coin on the watch list. So that is actually quite interesting amount of people. So let's check out what is the XDC network. The XDC network, formerly called XinFin network, is an enterprise-grade hybrid blockchain equipped with public and private states and interoperable smart contracts. Okay, it's proof of stake mechanism, which allows for 2-second transaction time, near zero gas fees, pretty good, and over 2,000 transactions per second. Okay, if you want to know more about this coin, check out CoinMarketCap. Also, you can check out their websites. So, but for us, we would right now look at TradingView. By the way, if you're new on this channel and you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go and smash the subscribe button right now. Also, like this video as you never liked it before. So thank you very much for this, and we start with the TA. On TradingView, we start on the daily chart, and the last 3 days it pumped pretty good. So just for 3 days it was it pumped right now 25%. To the peak it was 28.5. So right now it came exactly to the previous resistance area, resistance box. So what is actually the next target for XDC? Let's pull out the Fibonacci retracement. So I would do it from the low point if we do it to our high here, so the golden pocket was here in this area where XDC found pretty good support for 12 days. So that is actually pretty good. So and with two candles, it broke through every Fibonacci retracement level. So if we do it from this high to this low, okay, also you can see here in this case that was the 382 Fibonacci level, and it found also pretty good support for 12 days. So the next target would come in here at the 1.618 at 0.0845. So that is the next target. But first it has to break through this little wall here before it really can reach this area. I mean, that could be a 25% pump. So also let's mark out some other levels. Maybe what is also in confluence with the Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, first this one, then actually this box here, and then you have this big area. Okay. Yep, that is good. I would actually just do it like this. This is also a significant level. But for right now, I mean, it has to take out this high here. So if it can break above this level, then it can happen very quickly that it will reach this level. So that was approximately a 25% pump. But it has to come over this level. Maybe let's zoom in a little bit. Getting a good rejection, but the volume is decreasing. I'm not sure if it will break through this level right now, or if it will come down a little bit, retest again the email ribbons, maybe this Fibonacci level, before it will break through this wall here. On the 50-minute chart, it's using the email ribbons pretty good as support right now. Okay, I think that is it for this quick update video on XDC. So as I said, as I said, right now, smash the like button. Little disclaimer, this is no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor. Always do your own research and never trust anybody except yourself. If you're new here on this channel, go and subscribe right now to my channel and activate the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching, and we see us in the next video of Nice Trading Bro. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.